You guys often ask me a cute hairstyle to go to school. Today I will show you this hairstyle. Hey black girl, welcome back to my channel. Love all. Hi. This is the comb that I usually use for styling.
When I go to the hair salon, I ask for a lot of layers, especially around my crown. I like those to be the shortest, and I like to have a lot of different layers. As you can see, my hair is all different sizes. There is some pieces that are pretty short right here, and then the longest pieces are down at the nape of my neck. This is what style I think works best for me and my face shape. I also get curly bangs. They're a bit grown out right now, but you can kind of like see the vibe. So that's what I ask for when I get my haircut.
Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up
Oh my god.
More when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about.
Here is a pink out hairstyle that I did on Friday. Not gonna lie, it took me a while because I hate doing rubber band hairstyle. They're cute, but I'm not really good at parting, so it doesn't look as good as it should. Hope y'all like it though.
More when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride.
What's your favorite color?
Keep boys by my side. OG boy. Day we hustle, but the night we.
Have you thought about what to buy on Black Friday? What's the most challenging thing about your hair? P.S. My braid out is a week old, so I have a lot of dry product. I promise it's not dirt products. Purple diamond brush and edge control plus edge brush, all from at Hairstyles collection.
These brothers, my guys, know that they fly. Know that they fly. Know that they ride or die. These brothers, my guys, know that they fly.
That's done.
Know that they fly. Know that they
Hair mask transformed my curls. Now that I know that they work, I do not play about my hair mask. I do a hair mask every single time I wash my hair. For me, that is 5 days. It could be completely different for you and your lifestyle, but I would not recommend doing a hair mask more than twice a week because you can really overload your hair with moisture and make your curls not very defined, bushy, and soft.
That's done. Hey, I was supposed to post this long ago, but here's an edges tutorial. Hi. This is an easy hairstyle to make, making you always cute in everyone's eyes.
Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in the cage.
Next, 2 low buns. It's been a while, but I passed all my exams and now on break. So yay, I used at Hairstyles collection edge control, diamond brush, and scarf.
I know I look a little crazy right now, but as a curly girl, I use a ton of products, so it's so important that I'm going in and exfoliating my scalp to remove that product buildup and make sure that my curls are staying fresh. Of course, you're gonna ask me, Keisha, how do I exfoliate my scalp? This little cute little bottle is all you need. This is from the Inculus. This is the glycolic acid exfoliating scalp scrub. This scalp scrub is a gentle exfoliant, so it has chemical and physical exfoliators that are going to help keep your follicles clean. Plus, it's the Inculus, so it's super, super affordable. Today's my wash day, so I start by shaking the bottle. I just go in and use the applicator to just put it on my scalp, and then I massage in. It has such a nice cooling sensation. Now, I'm just letting the scalp exfoliator sit in my hair for 10 minutes while I answer some emails, and then I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair like normal. Hello, healthy, bouncy curls.
A big throwback. Do y'all remember my old videos? Should I start doing more videos like this?
Please get on your knees. Came from the jungle, up in the trees. I got a few tricks up in the sleeve. One wrong move, I'ma let out the. Big shoes, check out the crease. Blow like I'm Bigfoot, step on the beat. Make a man's run, tell
So bye-bye. Do you want to straighten your hair and style it?
I'm going to help you get your curls back. First thing I did when I was starting my curly hair journey is I stopped using heat completely. Next, I started taking care of my hair. This looks different for everyone, but I'm just going to tell you what I did personally to bring my curls back. You've heard me talk about this a million times. You have to start using hair masks consistently. This absolutely transformed my hair. Day Moisture and Heritage by Mindy are great affordable options from the drugstore. I also really recommend the Love Your Curls hair mask. This stuff is amazing. Then I started searching for products that were good for my hair type. What works for other people will probably not work for you. It takes a lot of trial and error. Do your research, watch YouTube videos, watch TikToks, look at girls and guys that have the same hair types as you. Try those products and see if they work. Right now, my favorite combo is the Curl Balm from Design Me with the spray gel. This stuff is what I used in my hair today. I've been using it for the past 3 wash days. Absolutely.
Half up, half down with side bang. This hairstyle actually turned out cute.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We're chilling at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot still trying to flip it out the stove. Rocking fake J's, praying that nobody know.
Do you think it's beautiful?
Too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, I might crash cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me.
Here is my secret to maintaining my curl pattern while bleaching it. Right after I got my highlights done, my curl pattern had changed. The pieces that were blonde had a very slight wave. It was honestly like really alarming to me as a curly creator. I was very nervous to see if I could bring them back, but I did, and here's how. The Apogee 2-step protein treatment saved my hair. I've used this twice since I got my hair done. Both times I've had absolutely amazing results. This stuff literally reconstructs your hair. Now they're back and they're shiny and I'm very happy.
Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Coming back home. Coming back home. Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back home.
Today I tried out at Uncensored by C.'s gorgeously packaged lip gloss kit. 100% enjoyed wearing these glosses. They also came with a cute note and candy, which I thought was really nice and thoughtful when you get a lip gloss kit like that. My fab gloss was definitely the purple grape scented Computer Love lip gloss.
Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes, baby. You think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily, and I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react.
If you love makeup tutorial videos on my channel, please subscribe and like, as well as leave a comment. Looking forward to hearing from you.